How about that?
Yeah, an interesting topic that came up this morning. Bob Arum says that anticipated matchup that everybody wants to see, the Pacquiao-Mayweather fight, is never going to happen because Mayweather is a chicken. Here's some of what he said. Quote, he understands boxing and Mayweather cannot compete with Manny. It's the right hand of Manny that is preventing that fight from happening. If Manny agreed just to jab with the right hand, the fight would be made in 30 seconds. Is Arum right? Is Mayweather afraid of Pacquiao?
Is he right? I have been saying this for 2 long years. Glory be, and thank you, Bob Arum, for finally speaking the truth and calling out Floyd Mayweather, if nothing else, as a promoter, to try to shame him into this fight, because that's probably what it looks like. On the surface, Skip, it looks like it's self-serving.
Because Bob could have said this a long time ago, Skip, and you know, now that it looks like it might not happen, he's trying to prod Mayweather to be mad and say, all right, I'm going to fight him.
But I completely concur. The right hand is why Floyd doesn't want any part of Pacquiao. The right hand is why Pretty Boy Floyd would get cut for the first time in his career. And the right hand is why I think Floyd, as Arum suggests, would be dropped in this fight by the 3rd or 4th round. It would be over quickly, painfully, and humiliatingly for one Floyd Mayweather.
I'm still struggling with the idea that Mayweather is afraid. I mean, a guy who's won and done all the things that he's done.
Why? Is he a bruiser?
No,
is he a
not
brawler?
bruiser, but afraid. I don't know if that's the right word. But the other part is, why isn't there a fight when this is the fight that should happen?
Well, Mayweather's side can say he's a chicken, he won't get tested.
Yeah,
But he's agreed to most, not game day, you know, not fight day.
Well, it's equal and even for both sides. They're not going to test Mayweather a week before and Pacquiao a day before.
It just seems like it's such a technicality. Like, it's not like Pacquiao hasn't.
But Pacquiao should just drop it. Pacquiao should say,
if it is just a technicality, then
yeah, you know, Pacquiao could look like the bigger man here and say, if this is the issue, and he won't, and he'll fight me as long as I'll test on, as long as they can draw my blood on fight day, stick me fight day, and let's get it on. Then there's no excuses for anyone.
Look, if Floyd were the defensive technician and boxing savant that everybody saw his fans say that he is, he wouldn't be afraid of any of it.
He could figure that right hand out.
Or steroids, whatever.
Or whatever
bring it on. Just do whatever you're going to do, because you can't touch me, you can't catch me, and I will pick you to pieces because I'm quicker and smarter than you are.
But the only thing I don't understand is the whole thing. What is the steroids going to work if you take a test a week before and then you stick them, like, you know what I mean, like before the fight, or?
Well, he doesn't want his blood drawn before a fight.
No, I understand, but I'm talking about Mayweather saying that's not acceptable a week before.
Rob's saying if you did it the day before, really, are you going to take something that morning? If you took it
take steroids.
Well, no, you know what? I'm not going to proclaim to be a doctor here, but I do remember Floyd Landis, the way I remember it from his positive test. It was alleged that he took the testosterone like the day of or the day before to get that extra boost of energy. So I imagine there's something.
There's some
endurance energy.
I know, I get it, and it is endurance. But hey, what is boxing? But what is boxing in the 10th and 11th and 12th rounds? It is a test of endurance, and
but what Floyd's
there's got to be something he could take a week before that.
Well, then couldn't you take it right after your blood test too?
I don't know. We need a doctor in the house. I don't know the answers.
That's what I mean. I don't know. You take my blood, I go in the other room, and now I take it.
It's one big excuse for Floyd, and he's ducking and will continue. And I agree with Arum. Bottom line, this fight will never, ever happen because he's scared.
Do you think it'll ever happen?
No way, no how.
I was waiting to see if Skip would do like the chicken thing, like a little
chicken dance.
Go in there.
How about the chicken dance?
All right.